Hello everyone, I'm Wavelex. This is a quick tutorial about how to make your own cloud data server on TurboWarp, or Scratch in general. You can also use it on ForkForest and many other Scratch engines. You see, I created my own server right here. So, I have this extension, in cloud data, which tells you if a Scratch cloud variable server is up. So, you see, if I click this, my server will be up. So, today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, what you first want to do is have these two pages open. So, the first page you want to be open is github.com/turbowarp/cloud-server. This is the repository of the official TurboWarp cloud variable server that was used to create the official server. Yeah. And the second page is glitch.com. It's a website where we will be deploying our repository. So yeah. First, what you want to do is copy this GitHub repository link. Okay, here, github.com. We copied it. Now, once you're in glitch.com, you want to click on New Project, and you want to press Import from GitHub. You want to choose this option. Now, once you're here, you have to paste the GitHub repository and click OK, or press Enter as an alternative. Now, if you have no account on glitch.com, you want to create one because you will need it, obviously. Here, I have my account right here. I'm logged in, and once you created the account, we can begin. Once the repository has been fully imported, you'll be brought to this page right here. To be exact, the README file. Now, here you'll find the setup section. And now we're gonna go through it. First, what you want to do is go to the terminal. You'll open this, and you'll notice this will pop up. Now, in the setup section, you have to enter these 4 commands. First, you want to copy this one. Copy. And paste it right here. Enter. You'll notice it's loading. Now, what you wanna do is type cd cloud server. Now, this changes the current directory you're in. Now, you wanna do npm install. Just wait until it's fully finishes downloading. Might be a while, but you know what? I'll come back to you when it's done loading. Now it's done loading, and we can enter our final command, which is npm start, which basically deploys your current project. Now there might be some errors, but you're fine. Just some complicated stuff here. Now you want to close it. And good job, everyone. You have created your own cloud server. You can view your server by pressing preview and preview in a new window. You'll see your web page has been opened. You see this brand-deluxe-motion. Honestly, this is just a randomly generated name. Just set your own name. I'll show you in a second. And you'll see this right here. By pressing source code, you'll be redirected to the source code. Basically, yeah. And that's honestly it. But we still have to go through some stuff. Now, if you want to customize your page name, you can go to settings and press edit project details. Just click on that. And here you just name it to whatever you want. So I can just name it to tests server to tutorial, sure. Whatever. It's just a description. You don't need to touch that if you don't want to. Just press save. And once you open the new window, you'll see it changed right here. Test server tutorial. Also, what I want to mention is that you can also modify the page contents. For example, you'll see my server right here, waveflex server.glitch.me. See, I've modified this. I made a loop, loop GIF, whatever it is. It's currently modified, the page. You can honestly change it to wherever you want by just going into public and changing the index here. There's also an index. Oh, never mind. Changed. So basically, you can just change it to whatever you want. You can change, for example, the name. Say, let's change the name. You can change it to whatever it is. You can change it, whatever, however you like. Whatever it is. There you go. Whatever it is. So, yeah. And that's honestly it for modifying the page. But there's only one more thing. Now, you want to open this page right here, which is console.cronjob- cron-job.org. You just go to cron-job.org, honestly. And then you want to log in or create an account. I'm already logged in here, and I'll explain in a second. So, you see, your server needs to be up like 24/7 for it to work in your projects. And you see, with glitch here, if you don't pay, your projects will go like offline, aka go to sleep after 5 minutes if unused. So cron-job, basically cronjob.org will help you with that. There's also a website called Uptime Robot, but Glitch banned it, so there's really it's useless now. So you see, I've created a waveflex server here. It hosts like my server. It doesn't host it, sorry. Just keeps it up. So you want to press create cron job, and you can name it whatever you want. You can just say Turbo Warp server tutorial. And here is the thing. You have to have a URL for this. So you just open your server and copy the URL. You paste it in here, and you have to press enable cron job. Now in what it says execution schedule, you want to set it to every 5 minutes. Because if it fails too much, it will just disable itself. So yeah, it's optional to enable save responses and job history. Honestly, you don't need that if you don't want to, and you can uncheck this if you don't want to. It'll just send it to your email. And you just press create. Congratulations, your server is up and running. And if you want to check if it works, you want to have pane cloud data extension in TurboWarp. Cloud data can be found in the TurboWarp extension gallery right here. You see TurboWarp extension gallery? And pane cloud data, you can just copy the URL and press custom extension and enter the URL. But it's already imported here for me. So how to check if your server is up? Well, First, you want to enter WSS, double dots, and 2 slashes. Now you want to enter your URL without the HTTPS. So, give me a sec, let me copy my URL, and enter. Here you can remove the HTTPS part, you don't need it. And you want to press to see if it's, click on it, see if it's up. See, it says true, that means the server is up and running. But if it says false, that means it's down and you did something wrong. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Oh, sorry, my apologies. I forgot one more thing to mention. If you want to package your project in the TurboWarp packager, you will see the cloud variable section. And let's create a cloud variable here because this project does not contain cloud variables. It will say this if you don't have any cloud variables. So just enter any cloud variable, press cloud variable. Yep, check the cloud variable thing and press OK. You have an example here. Now you wanna package the project again, and you'll see here once you scroll down, it says cloud host. You want to keep the mode the default, connect to cloud variable server. You can set it to other ones if you know what you're doing, but for now we're just gonna go with this one. And cloud host is set to the our official TurboWarp cloud servers for as default. So you want to kind of change this. You want to copy what I pasted here. No, you don't have to copy what I pasted here. You just have to paste your own server URL. But you want to paste this right here. And basically, you are done. You can do it here, just paste it, and just press package project. And that's it. That's basically it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. And have a good day.